for extra length, thickness, volume, and curvature. Since they are weightless and water resistant, you can swim, shower, and exercise worry-free. With routine relashes, your luxurious extreme lashes eyelash extensions can last indefinitely. Each application begins with a thorough cleansing of your natural lashes and lash line. Next, your stylist will apply a gel patch to cover the lower lashes while hydrating the under eye area. While isolating one natural lash, your stylist will dip one eyelash extension into our exclusive XL Flex Fusion adhesive. Next, your stylist will gently apply the eyelash extension to the isolated natural lash, creating a seamless, natural look and feel. After this relaxing and luxurious beauty treatment, you will wake up refreshed and rejuvenated with your new Extreme Lashes eyelash extensions.